Welcome to lecture module 4 of Building Material Construction class by Sigma College of Architecture. So in today's session we will be looking at bamboos and how it is used as a building material. So bamboo is a diverse primitive group of perennial plant. It is a true grass family. It has high compressive strength, low weight, which can be used for support for concrete like scaffoldings or for formworks. Construction of bridges, structures and houses can be also done with bamboo. While constructing a building with bamboo, so following are the important consideration has to be seen. Durability. Bamboo is subject to attack by fungi and insects. So jointing. So although like many traditional types of joints are available for bamboo, their structural efficiency is low. So, flammability. Bamboo structures do not behave well with fires, and the cost of treatment is also high. Storage. So bamboo poles should be stored horizontally, so like seen in the image, which should be supported with regular intervals. So here like this kind of support should be given at regular intervals so that it won't have bends. Bamboo should be protected against sun, rain and soil moisture. Drying. There are two possibilities of drying. So air drying. So bamboo can be kept in the air, good air for 6 to 12 weeks. So it can be dried naturally. Or kiln drying. So it can be taken to a bamboo seasoning kiln. So here the bamboos will be arranged through air conditioning system. Heat air is passed through it, the bamboos. So within 1 or 2 weeks, so kiln dried bamboos will be ready. Like methods of preservation. So first we can preserve it by using borax or boric acid, which can be applied to the bamboo. Or bamboo can be cutted and it can be dipped into some chemical content so that the extra structures that draw insects can be removed. Methods of working with bamboo: splitting, shaping and bending. Splitting. So bamboo, like first it can be splitted with some knife to the required shape. Then shaping. Bamboo, like while growing itself, we can put some box kind of thing outside it so that the bamboo will get the required shape. This next is bending. So bamboo, like wherever if we want to bend it, a small portion of the bamboo can be cutted and it can be bended. Thank you.